Hello YouTube. So it's been a while since I've done a Mazda mod or a MX5 video. So today I'm going to be installing a battery disconnect kit. So I purchased this from Amazon. It was about £13 and it's called the Disconnect. Get it? So I'm currently storing the car long term over the winter and I haven't been driving it much. And the battery has gone flat once and I needed to charge it. So with this we can turn off the battery and stop the power drain. I'm going to go ahead first and disconnect the breather hoses and the clamp. You may notice this is actually the big battery conversion, so we have the bigger tray and clamp. Okay, to make it a bit easier, I've taken out the spare wheel and I've removed the boot trim. That way I can get the battery a little bit more exposed. Next we want to go ahead and take off the negative terminal. Next step is to connect the disconnect switch onto the negative terminal here. Next we want to tighten this bolt and remember not to over tighten it. And if you want the fuse link, make sure you attach this at this point. Now what this does, it allows a small amount of charge to go through to your radio and other devices so that you won't have to re-enter a code. So I may actually take this off, but for now I'm going to keep it on. Next we want to turn the dial anti-clockwise, and this will be turning the switch off. And then we want to connect the negative terminal from the car onto this post here. Okay, I had to do some playing around because basically I had to move it sort of this towards me, this way, because otherwise it would foul on the bodywork and it's not touching any of the metal. So I'm going to take it back out and tighten it up. Okay, so it's been installed correctly. I'm now going to check to see if I can actually reach it to even turn it off. So that should be on. Going to go ahead and fire the car up. Okay, so now we're going to turn it left to turn it off and make sure it doesn't start. Nothing. Okay, so it's all basically back together. Still got to put the spare wheel in. That is the battery cut-off switch. Thanks for watching.